Right on here, Mexiao, Babia will be out to me, Kabiam the just from corn and a mouth. Aha, I am Michael Saints Media, Medin, any Michael Kojo, you know, which my friend Michael Saints. I am send you a while in way, I was a man, no, you come was him. What I'm saying, I know ya, and I'm to Quasum Kumbi, sorry, our Ghana, Jamestown, and in United say NDC supporters. I know free say walk keep fit and as a walk. And MPP for no and so could show more a quarter in Tokwa. Fosi tubo emani omubianum bi mo prepra nyame adom obi anwu ewo mu de bara mi tiri say niam bi a wo se hwe ne ye ne ehunu se sa niam na emwa politicians na nkasa eti won ba bi ada sisi obi twa ne team pampa bi obi bɔ ne nkomo bi ya de ehia no and yen supporters ye ko ho ntokwa. I tell you is far more important say wo se ehunu say young supporters and young Kwahunya. Sentokwa we see any abototo any ne ewo mu yi. So obi free mu ya, wa wukwa. Waje wa busia, wo yire no omma e wo ho kwa. Afa so ben e na wo so se e be kontokwa e wo politics ho. Abusia hia pass ye hunu se Ghana first. Ghana e me no dia. Ghana by ansa na NDC ni MPP ba. There is no need to say what's your kontokwa. But one important thing is that politicians nimpo ya no musia mo ya namfofo. There are so many occasions about to NDC ni MPP politicians omonto nse didi 3D nkomo. But young supporters no enni sante ase no etiasia na ye ko. Hwentokwa yi a ekosi hwa abututu yi na me ne ekosi. Sam obi apra a wo pain mu just because of this. And then NDC ba yo, na then MPP ba yo. Why do you sacrifice so much? Politician no ya the campaign we no we ni how many times na ya wo no. Onne ne yire ne mane na busuafo na ekwa chele. Ne ha adwen kra ye cash na ya na de gas no. So then so say ya to dan mo bi wo de be easily go na the sprinters ba bi a ho efenso nkwa no moto. But who enemy? Ade ne nya free. Afa so bi ani so say o say kontokwa politics ho. Entokwa no achi any interview Brahma Kaboko Bukumbanku Tiasa Wakai.
I was there very well. Jene Kolaga in Yamakatumo in Yamina Fio. Me Feko. People know me, I'm an NDC member, but I mean I'm no fight with MPP people because MPP people they are my brothers and my sisters. Oh, I love them. Me Adega Kucho. I'm the super in this community. Or if something go wrong here, I will talk. You know. You know me, my problem. They fight that's going on, be foolish. When you do something, they will beat me. Oh, I don't want anybody beat me. That rough pass I do in my life, they pass. They don't hear my name negative. I want if you hear my name in this community, positive. So what is going on in this community is not fine.
Na ke Sunday o kameria ke akafe basa o kongwe o te MPP je no kama ni te baleten ni bi chake.
MPP people they are there. They are my friends. People will give me money, and these people will give me. They are my friends. No be politics. Yesterday the fight going one way. I go MPP yard. Now tell them brothers, I beg you. NDC and MPP, we are brothers. Don't fight. And they tell NDC people in the ground, don't fight. Don't throw the mirror stone. You two don't throw the mirror stone. I talk with them. I leave them no. I'm not there.
ono wa NDC ni de na so na mfo bebre ana so hunu say MPP for kra enemy ano so why fight yourself me share video no me hunu ade bi na opanyin ba ko na sem bi o kan ya e wo say ye hwe ni ye na futuo ya na ode ma opanyin afa no Boniface Abubakar ozi ono o NDC ni nua o MPP enti wei elusu kra we be nwene nti ono go opposition da but wo na hunu ni so opposition ana hunu ni say unua no o MPP na o NDC ni o opponent a mushi amoko ntoka emfa so bia ni so sa enti e wo say e hwe ni hunu say ye niam eye e wa abato hunu nyina no be ya asudue
yes ye dey anu ye dey honestly entokwa esi wo Ghana nyina na amansani nyina nye obi ana de bawo niam mienu ohia any politicians asemba ko obeka wo tekrema so no chense kan I want to tell you, do your politics well. Don't let politicians deceive you. Muhu ya se ya wono wani eji echinji ya yen hun tokwa o. Ye wi a ye frustra ko numti nam ne ye wi. Mu ana moto. Me catch them on okware. There are people here enne wo mu humi a wo mu si wo mu ti ase. Osafu mafu o himfa enye MPP ni nua kuma ajemafu o NDC Shelia Ite o NDC no minister ni nua Penny Professor Ite o MPP NDC lawyer Larry Ajeti o NDC na papa waka baby Peter Lajeti o MPP Samuel Jinapo o himfa o MPP ni nua Penny John Jinapo o NDC mi amigina hai mi o MPP mi nua Penny Kamara o NDC ye fie ye dako mona mbe dako mi matina mi gina o me ka kire mo anoko mi hu opposition da o me party dia wa ko opposition ba mi nkasa mi ko opposition look o mu na ti hono look mi hu opposition da me party MPP a ko opposition ba me dia mi ko opposition because NDC wo power mi didi Kamara me ko no ma mi score be ma me enne me wo power bibi hia na obefre me ye kasada na mahu opposition no enti mondwin mayem ma party emme mayem contest
ani nyina chi nanado e de asem atuja se ye hia asundue e wa Accra baranya Accra nkwa hia asundue wo Ghana nyina San said there is no need to be fighting among ourselves just because of politics.
We want peace in Accra. Sikia wafo Bahamu fem ogbene acho edwemomi. Je no ko na no ye.
The election is about expressing your views and making a choice. There's no need to fight. Only those who have nothing to offer foment trouble. If you have a good message, you sell it, rather than being violent. I'm pleading with you. We want peace during the elections. The world is watching us, and we have to behave properly.
Some one NDC, no be one MPP. And some one MPP, no be one NDC. And I'm more party for be no be me party no man trust yourself in the again, tell me about me at tre. And in no yena if you're Ghana ni ye yo ni ye. Since a Ghana quite any more. And I know yes, you're hot. The politicians are enjoying so much as a winning one co-op by Big Granda. I wish your way enough for, but yes, you are time for. They have been fooling us so much, say it's high time we wisen up. Near who say and talk our politics and what. Nina no, young who say we are thinking of Ghana. Ghana, I am in Odia. But I see. Now, for a better also, Michael Saint Media Suni, when you come. Bye bye.